you interested to protect your vehicle with a front and rear dash cam? This most popular pickup truck, the Ford Ranger, is going to get protected with the Gnet G-On front and rear dash cam. This is the front facing dash cam, very, very stylish, 1080p, high resolution, Wi-Fi, GPS, comes with an app, 32 gig memory card, absolutely outstanding dash cam. The Gnet range is our most popular cameras, and we're also going to be fitting this very discreet and stylish rear camera to protect the rear of the vehicle. So let's chat, let's get on and get it fitted, and we'll show you what we've done after the break. Okay, welcome back. So everything's all been fitted. Let's show you around the vehicle. So you can see from the outside, very discreet rear camera just there in the middle, very wide angled. As I say, it's full definition 1080 resolution, so high definition camera. Runs at 60 frames per second. Very, very discreet, nice wiring, all hidden, neat and tidy. And if we come to the front of the vehicle, there's the forward facing camera. Again, all wiring, nice, neat and discreet, hidden into the roof lining, all powered from the vehicle's electrics, so no plug into the cigarette lighter, no cables draped all across the dash. Looks very, very good. Show you from the front. As you can see, the engine's switched off and the camera is still recording. Show you from the passenger side. So Wi-Fi, GPS, comes with an app, 32 gig memory card, high definition front and rear. What's not to like? The Gnet G-On fantastic dash cam. Protect your vehicle before it's too late. Give us a call on 01404 515 030. Thanks for watching.